Hey guys, I'm back. Actually, the Laurent Mall was closed. Actually, I don't know when they closed, but yeah. Anyways, I'm going to Loblaws to get my meal, and I just want to show you another stuck vehicle tonight. 3 of them, 2 cars and now a bus. It's happening everywhere, I guess. Anyways, looks like the mall is open, which is good. So I'm going to grab something to eat here and then get my bottle of wine, go home and take it easy. But yeah, it's the biggest snowstorm since many years. And yep, that's the new bus that is caught in the snow. Right now on the Van A Parkway, actually. Hi again, Dave. The mall was closed, by the way. So I'm at Loblaws. Took the bus from there, and I'm at Loblaws near my place. And there's a stuck bus there I see as well. So I have my mask on still, so I'm not sure if you can hear me very well. I'm yelling, that's why. So I'm going to try. I don't know how we're going to get around this bus. That's okay, no problem. Yeah. That's okay. A lot of stuck vehicles today. Yeah. It's going to be tough with the carriage there. How are we going to do this? Yeah, thank you. That's okay. Oof. Okay, I know how they're going to make it with the baby carriage there. The stroller, I mean. Hang on. Oof. Are you guys okay? Okay, cool. That's awesome. No problem. Okay. Oh. I'm glad Loblaws is open at least. Now this Loblaws does not have sales on fishes, unfortunately. Too much. So I don't know what I'm going to get for supper for tonight. I'm not sure what. But it definitely has to be compatible with red wine. Okay. Da da da. Okay. Home sweet Loblaws. If you guys can't hear me too well, it's because I have my mask on. And because I was close proximity with the couple there with their stroller and their baby, you know, best to keep the mask on. Anyway, da-da-da. Yeah, thank God they're open. I don't have my gimbal on right now because I have the bus stuck in the snow. So I'm just whipping up my phone really quickly. So anyway. Okay, bye again, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay. Stay safe, stay warm, take care. And watch out for the driving and watch your backs.